Okay, good morning all. Are you Siotang family? Okay, may I check your passport please? Okay, let me check your passport. Okay, that's right, you are Siotang family. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Nathan Prabara Mulyawan. You can call me Nathan. I am tour leader from Obaja Tour and Travel. Nice to meet you all. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as a intermezzo, here our souvenir for you. This is a dodol Betawi. This food is a iconic dodol in Jakarta. Let me share to you all. Thank you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, 10 until 15 minutes more, we will go to the bus. So, if you have any help for bring your baggage, please let our porter to bring your baggage. Thank you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here our itinerary for the next few days. Please let me share to you. If you have any question to ask about itinerary, please ask me. Thank you. If you don't have any question, I will check your attendance. Please raise your hand if I call you. Okay, Mrs. Valencia Siotang, okay, there is. Mr. Hari Siotang, okay, there is. Mrs. Kalia Siotang, okay, there is. All Siotang family is complete. Okay, all is clear, and we will go to the bus as soon as possible. Thank you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if you need to go to the toilet, there is on the left side. For this, who needs to change your money, please go to the counter in front of the information office. Do you have any question? Okay, if everything alright, please go to the bus. Please check anything and don't leave anything, especially important things like money, wallet, handphone, identity card, passport, and the other important things. And please step carefully. Thank you. Okay guys, this is our bus. Please step carefully. Thank you. Okay guys, I will check your attendance. Please raise your hand if I call you. Okay? Mrs. Valencia Siotang, okay, there is. Mr. Hadi Siotang, okay, there is. And the last, Mrs. Kalia Siotang, okay, there is. Everything is okay, alright? We are on the way to the hotel. Before we are going to the hotel, please introduce our driver and co-driver. Our driver is Mr. Aji. He has experience about 20 years, and our co-driver is Mr. Syahnil. He has experience about 10 years. Say hi to our driver and co-driver. Hi. So you don't need to worry about incident, okay? If you have any question about anything, don't be shy to ask. Thank you. Okay? Before we go to the hotel, we will pray. Wish our trip is good, smoothness, and not lacking. Okay? We will pray depend on religion and confidence. Pray has done. Okay? While we wait our trip to the hotel, I will explain Indonesia, especially Jakarta. Thank you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Jakarta is the capital city of Indonesia. Jakarta is the one of the biggest city in Indonesia. So, people always call Jakarta as metropolitan city. Jakarta is the center of politics, business, and many other. Jakarta has two airports, Soekarno-Hatta International Airport and Halim Perdana Kusuma International Airport. Jakarta also has two harbors, Tanjung Priuk and Sunda Kelapa. Well, Jakarta divided by Jakarta Utara or North Jakarta, Jakarta Timur or East Jakarta, Jakarta Barat or West Jakarta, Jakarta Selatan or South Jakarta, Jakarta Pusat of Central Jakarta, and Kepulauan Seribu or Island Archipelago. Well, we will talk more general about Indonesia. Indonesia. Indonesia is island country. So many islands in Indonesia. Indonesia has more than 17,000 islands. There are 5 big islands in Indonesia. Java Island, Sumatra Island, Kalimantan or Borneo Island, Sulawesi Island, and Papua Island. Central of Indonesia is in Java Island. In Java Island, you can find some big cities like Jakarta, Bandung, Surabaya, Yogyakarta, Semarang, and many others. In Indonesia, we use rupiah as a currency. Indonesia is a country which has many ethnic groups like Javanese, which live in Java Island, like Sundanese, Bataknis, which live in Sumatra Island, and many others. There are 2 seasons in Indonesia, rainy and dry. Now is rainy season. Don't forget to prepare umbrella and raincoat. Thank you. In Indonesia, there are 3 times. There are Waktu Indonesia Barat or Greenwich Mean Time Zone +7, Waktu Indonesia Tengah Greenwich Mean Time Zone +8, and Waktu Indonesia Timur Greenwich Mean Time Zone +9. In Jakarta is Waktu Indonesia Barat or Greenwich Mean Time Zone +7. The most religion in Indonesia is Islam, followed by Christian, Hinduism, Buddhist, and many others. The most livelihood in Indonesia is agriculture cause. Indonesia is a agrarian country. Okay, that's general information about Jakarta and Indonesia. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, in front of you is Gelora Bung Karno. This place is a silent witness to the achievements of Indonesian athletes. Its origins stem from the election of Indonesia to the host the 4th Asian Games in 1962. At that time, Insinyur Soekarno immediately determined the location to hold the grand event. Long story short, the 4th Asian Games was over. Apart from being successful in the field of achievement by playing second in medal tables, with Bung Karno Sports Arena at that time, it showed that the Indonesian nation was able to carry out an event as big as the Asian Games, which incidentally at that time many developed countries still didn't have an international standard sports complex such as Gelora Bung Karno. At the Bung Karno Sports Arena, there is Bung Karno Stadium. Bung Karno Stadium. The stadium can accommodate 88 and 3,000 people and makes it the 8th largest stadium in Asia and the 28th largest stadium in the world. Of course, many events have been held here, starting from the opening and closing ceremonies of the 2018 Asian Games, then 100th anniversary of the National Awakening Day on 20 May 2008, and many more, which I just mentioned are non-sport. For sport, there is a host of the AFC U19 Soccer Trophy in 2018, hosted the AFC Cup in 2007, and hosted pre-season tours of big clubs in England such as Liverpool, Arsenal, and Chelsea. But there are still several venues such as Istora Gelora Bung Karno, Jakarta Media Stadium, Aquatic Center, Hockey Field, Archery Field, Indoor and Outdoor Tennis, Jakarta Convention Center of GCC, and others. The latest news about Gelora Bung Karno is This place can be visited again by doing a scan in special app. The special app is Peduli Lindungi. Here we can cycle or exercise. That's all about Gelora Bung Karno. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we already arrived at Ancol. This is Ancol. This time we are at Ancol Beach. This beach is an iconic beach in Jakarta. Behind us, there is a mall called Ancol Beach Mall. This concept is quite unique because it combines the mall and the beach. We can do several activities such as swimming, watching the sunset, water sport, sunbathing, playing volley, and many more. Actually, in Ancol there are not only beach, but there are other fun places. One of them is Dufan. Dufan comes from English do and fun. Do fun, which means doing fun things. The concept of this place is like the universal word in Hollywood, but adapted to the culture in Indonesia. There are so many games like Kora-Kora, Mini Roller, Rumi Roller Coaster, and many other. There is also the Gelanggang Samudra. Gelanggang Samudra is a venue for various aquatic animals such as seals and dolphin show. There is also a 4D theater and a pirate show. Last but not least, there is an aquarium that once occupied the largest aquarium in Jakarta, which has a variety of aquatic animals. There are more than 20,000 types of aquatic animals. You can see and learn many aquatic animals. You can also dive in the aquarium as long as you have a diving certificate. Ancol is the best place if you want to doing fun things. That's all about Ancol. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, now we are at Jakarta International Stadium. This is the latest stadium in Jakarta, just inaugurated this year. The stadium was inaugurated by the Governor of DKI Jakarta, Mr. Anies Baswedan. The stadium can accommodate 82,000 spectators. The stadium is one of the stadiums in Indonesia that does not use a running track, which make Jakarta International Stadium is the largest stadium without running track in Asia Pacific. And when viewed using a drone, the stadium is shaped like a lollipop. The latest event held at this stadium is the International Youth Championship, which invites the academies of big teams in Europe, especially in Spain, such as Barcelona and Atletico Madrid. At the moment, the stadium uses retractable roof, so this technology allows the roof of the stadium to be open or closed as needed. With that technology, Jakarta International Stadium is the most advanced stadium in Jakarta, even in Indonesia. That's a little information about Jakarta International Stadium. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, last but not least, we are at Monas. Monas in Indonesian is Monument Nasional, or in English National Monument. This monument is the iconic monument in Jakarta, even in Indonesia. Even the people when hear about Jakarta, they directly think about Monas. Its history begins with Sukarno, the first president of Indonesia, at that time planning to build a tower that is equivalent to the Eiffel Tower in Paris, France. The height of Monas is 132 meters, and we can see that the gold at the top of Monas as much as 28 kilograms of 38 kilograms of gold. was donated by one of the richest people at that time, Teuku Markam. He is a businessman from Aceh. Inside Monas, there are 4 attributes of the independence of the Republic of Indonesia. The first, the map of the archipelago of the Republic of Indonesia. The second, the Saka Merah Putih flag. The third, the national emblem of Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, or unity in diversity. And the last, the gate containing the text of the Proclamation of Independence of the Republic of Indonesia. At the top of Monas, we can see a view of Jakarta. That's a little information about Monas. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we will arrive in Mercure Jakarta Sabang Hotel. Now, we already arrived at the gate of Mercure Hotel. Please prepare yourself and your belongings. Don't leave anything on the bus. Please step carefully. After that, we will go to the lobby hotel. Then the hotel committee will give you a welcoming drink like orange juice, coffee, tea, and many other. For your information, your baggage will be brought by our porter. Thank you. Good afternoon, miss. This is 5 baggage for our group. The group name is Sihotang Group. This is the voucher hotel. Please check it. Okay, I confirm again. This is Sihotang family with 5 deluxe room on 21st floor. The number is 10 until 15. Okay, this is the key. Thank you. Well, ladies and gentlemen, how about the welcoming drink? Is it fresh? Okay, I will give you some information for tomorrow. The breakfast will be ready from 7 a.m. The lunch will be ready from 11 a.m. and the dinner will be ready from 5 p.m. We will check out tomorrow. You can go to the restaurant hotel on 17th floor. For your information, the drink in refrigerator is free. You can take the drink, but the limit is 2 drinks per person. The hostel facility is gym on 2nd floor, the swimming pool on 10th floor, and the bar on 22nd floor. If you have any question, please ask to me and the receptionist on the 1st floor. Thank you and have a nice rest. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How about the hotel? Is it very comfortable, right? Today we will check out after breakfast. After breakfast, you all must return the key to me. Enjoy your breakfast all. Thank you. Good morning, miss. This is our key from Sihotang Group. If there are additional expenses from Sihotang Group, please tell me or put on the note. Nice to meet you, miss. I hope we can meet again in another reservation. Thank you and have a nice day. Ladies and gentlemen, our checkout has done. Now follow me to the bus and let our porter bring your baggage to the bus. Before leave the hotel, please check your belongings carefully, especially money, passport, wallet, and the other important things. And don't leave anything on the hotel. Thank you. Well, ladies and gentlemen, before we start, I will check your attendance. Please raise your hand if I call you. Okay? Mrs. Valen Sihotang. Okay, there is. Mr. Hadi Sihotang. Okay, there is. Mrs. Kale Sihotang. Okay, there is. Everything is complete. Alright? Before we go to airport, we will pray with our trip is good, smoothness, and not lacking. Okay? We will pray depend our religion and confidence. Pray has done. Alright? We are on the way to the Soekarno-Hatta International Airport. While we arrive at Soekarno-Hatta International Airport, please fill the questionnaire for our progress in the future. Thank you. Well, ladies and gentlemen, now we are arriving at Soekarno-Hatta International Airport. Please step carefully, don't leave anything, and please check your belongings, especially money, wallet, and the other important things. Now, please collect the passport and follow me to the check-in counter. Your baggage will be brought by our porter at the airport. Thank you. Good afternoon, Mrs. This is Siotang Group departure Jakarta at 2 p.m. to Istanbul at 8 p.m. and there are 5 baggage. This is the documents. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, here the boarding pass. Please raise your hand if I call you for sharing boarding pass. Mrs. Valenciotang, okay, this is the boarding pass. Mr. Hadi Siotang, okay, this is your boarding pass. And the last, Mrs. Kale Siotang, okay, this is your boarding pass. All have gotten. Now follow me to the departure gate. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, our trip is over. We apologize for any intentional or unintentional mistakes. I want to say thank you because you already choose Obaja Tour and Travel. We hope our tour can make you come back to Indonesia again. I happy to meet you all and hope we can meet again as soon as possible. I am Nathan Prabara Mulyawan. I want to say thank you so much. It's excited to see you again. Thank you and have a nice flight.